Hey guys, this video is on my Laifoo Aquarium fish tank gravel cleaner. This is 5 feet. It also comes in 7 feet. I only have like a 9-gallon tank. That's why I don't need like a huge one, but it's very simple to use and it's inexpensive. So as you can see here, my fish tank's pretty clean. I actually cleaned it out yesterday with the gravel cleaner because like algae and like uneaten food and waste and stuff like that from the fish goes to the bottom. So I would say like every week to clean it out, depending on how large your tank is and how many fish you have in your tank. So very simple. You just basically, this is how long it is. So these pieces are not put together when you order them. You just simply place them together. So this black piece you put into the tubing, and the tubing, the piece here you attach to this tube as well. So there's no like electricity required for this. So basically you would just put this in the bottom of the tank, like by the gravel here. Make sure you have a bucket handy or like a very large pitcher or pot. I used like a big pot yesterday. So you squeeze like this, and when you squeeze like this and you have this at the bottom of the tank by the gravel, it sucks up all the waste and stuff like that. And then that will, like, as you pump, that old waste and water will get released into the bucket that you're using. So it's so simple to use, only takes a few minutes. And then make sure you have extra water handy, because once you take out the old water, you're gonna have to replace it with some new water for the tank. But I definitely recommend this vacuum.